Winners of 2024 Fish Fair cum Fish Crop competition held on November 2nd on account of Ningol Chakoba celebration have been announced. Salam Lokendro from Lapupa Tera, sponsored by DFO Imphal West, won the first prize for producing an impressive 43,765 kilograms of fish, securing his place as a top fish farmer in the state. The second prize went to Ningthaujam Basanta from Kordak in Bishnupur district, sponsored by DFO Bishnupur for 17,462 kilograms of fish. Laimujam Dinamani from Tentha, backed by DFO Thobal, came in third place with production of 17,366 kilograms. Salam Lokendro also won first prize in the indigenous fish category, recognized for cultivating 9,735 kilograms of native fish varieties, marking his double achievement in this year's competition. A total of 20 fish farmers received consolation prizes for their efforts. In a collective milestone, valley regions produced 47,545 kilograms of fish, while hill areas contributed 2,770 kilograms. This year's fair reached an impressive total production of 1,56,000 kilograms of fish, exceeding the 1,50,000 kilograms target set for 2024 by an additional 6,000 kilograms.